Have you ever stopped to think about how the labels on your packages are printed? Printing technology plays a crucial role in our daily lives, and today we're going to dive into the world of printing methods to find out which is best for your needs. There are two main printing methods that dominate the industry: thermal transfer and direct thermal. Each method has its own unique benefits, and understanding the differences between the two can help you make an informed decision. Choosing the right printing method can be a challenge for many businesses. Factors like cost, durability, and quality all come into play when selecting the best option for your specific needs. It's essential to weigh these factors carefully to ensure you're making the right choice. Let's explore thermal transfer and direct thermal printing in more detail. Thermal transfer printing uses a heated ribbon to transfer ink onto the label, making it more durable and suitable for long-lasting applications. On the other hand, direct thermal printing uses heat-sensitive paper that darkens when heat is applied, making it a cost-effective option for short-term use. When it comes to pros and cons, thermal transfer printing offers higher durability and image quality, but it can be more expensive due to the need for ribbons. Direct thermal printing, on the other hand, is more cost-effective and simpler to use, but the labels may fade over time and are less resistant to environmental factors. Typical use cases for thermal transfer printing include product labeling, asset tracking, and outdoor applications where durability is crucial. Direct thermal printing is commonly used for shipping labels, receipts, and temporary labels where cost efficiency is the primary concern. So, what are the key differences between thermal transfer and direct thermal printing? Thermal transfer is best suited for applications that require durability and high-quality printing, while direct thermal is ideal for short-term, cost-effective solutions. Understanding your specific needs and budget constraints will help you determine which method is the best fit for your business. In conclusion, selecting the right printing method is essential to optimize efficiency and quality in your printing process. Whether you choose thermal transfer or direct thermal printing, make sure to consider factors like durability, cost, and quality to make an informed decision that aligns with your business goals. Did you find this video helpful? I'd love to hear your thoughts on which printing method you prefer. Leave a comment below and don't forget to check out our website. Remember, choosing the right printing method can make a significant impact on your business operations. Thank you for watching.